Hey guys, welcome back. This is the day 34 where we are practicing my English for the next 200 days straight. So I think before practicing, I should push it to the back. Yeah, now it's okay. It's perfect, not okay. So today's topic is my proudest moment. Actually, I'm pretty excited and also nervous because as I thought, as I'm thinking, I couldn't remembering the any point, any proudest moment that I know because when it comes to thinking about the proudest moment, the many incidents, many moments are just coming at the same time. So I have to think about it and then I will tell you. So before talking about this topic, I want to share with you our life updates. So first life update that I want to tell you that now from the last 2 days to the next around 1 month will gonna be the maybe a stressful time for me because at the same time I want to manage content creation. At the same time I want to manage English speaking, English practicing, and at the same time I want to I want to manage my study and also writing all of the assignments. So yeah, this time will gonna be tough, a little bit tough, but let's see. It's not about the let's see. We will have to do and we will do it. So yeah, that's the thing. And the second update that I want to tell you is today all five videos have completed, uploaded, and I have not planned next five videos yet. So tomorrow I have to plan all of the videos because yeah, if I not upload the videos, so by the end of the 2026 I couldn't upload the I I can't upload the 300 videos. I I think that should be not, we should not use couldn't. Couldn't is better actually, and just time passing here. Yes. So, and the third update that I want to tell you is as many friends of mine, I was told, I was asked them that what if I start a copywriting service. So many of them said me that copywriting is service that is no longer last in 2026 because there are very good AI tools, very trained AI tools who which can write scripts easily. But one of my friend told me that this all things are bullshit. On you can still earn money in 2026 by using copywriting service. And also I was asked this thing to Cloud AI, and the AI was told me that yeah, you can do it, and I decided that I will do it for 60 days, and if I not get my first client, so I will stop doing the thing, and I will look forward to another thing. Yeah, that's it. Simple. So that's all the life updates that I was told you. I have told you. My actually I'm a bit tired today. Not because I worked today a lot. Also I worked a little bit. But the main reason I'm tired is because I have just scrolled the reels and I used Instagram for 3 hours. Yeah, just I today I just scrolled the reels. So for the proudest moment that I can tell here, yeah, is the participating on SOTY event, and without any knowledge, I got the first rank on book review event. Yeah, and I get the silt. Yeah, that was my proud moment. The feeling I can not convey in words, because yeah, the feeling still I can whenever I imagine this thing, I whenever I reimagine this thing, the feeling I feel is completely different. Like your now your in the stage your name will pronounce, and you walk towards the stage, and finally you got your shield or your medal. Yeah, the feeling was really amazing. So yeah, that's it. And this is enough for today. We will meet tomorrow with new topic and with new experience. Bye bye.